Let's see. So this device theoretically should not be able to be lifted up. As you can see, the drone was have enough power to lift the device up. Why? Because the device cage is equipped with a counterweight, and that counterweight make this device, the books, make light enough that the drone can push up. How? Because the drone is inside in a closed circuit. Yes, the drone is inside into a closed circuit, and the thrust of the drone in this condition will be not able to push the device up. But as you can see, the device is enough long that the thrust of the drone will not achieve the base of the device in 100%. Will achieve, I think it's 95% or something like that. So the drone will be able to move the box up. Of course, the power of the drone when push the box up, it's around 20 grams. It's very, very low. But as you can see, the device didn't go down, just go up. Why don't go down? Because the thrust of the drone was created an equilibrium. This principle is not my principle. I didn't invent this principle. I just apply the principle and I approve the device work, the principle work, and also the device can work with the optimal material. So if we have a balloon the same like this, and it will be filled with helium, that balloon theoretically should be able, the drone, to lift up the balloon, and when we stop the drone, the balloon and the drone will go down. So it will be another flying device, another principle. The principle I didn't invent, is not my creation. The principle is creation of NASA Dr. David M. Burns on a Helical Engine. It's a NASA engineer, it's a NASA PhD, a doctor. When this principle of this device will be able to move the starship on the galactic, on the cosmic space, means the result and benefit of Mr. David Burns. I think, in my opinion, will be able to move the spaceship on the space. So we can, it will be great. It can go to mine asteroids or other planets. In my opinion, this device will open a new era of mining. The principle of this device, not this device, will open a new era of mining, of asteroid mining, or planetary mining, and also planetary human transportation, and goods and human transportation. So the scale is on 0. It's very sensitive. Okay. And we start the drone. As you can see, it's a minus. It's a minus, and Now let's see what value we'll achieve on the middle block. The drone is blocked on the middle of the device, and now let's see. Now let's see what value we can obtain with the scale on 0 and the drone on the top. Okay, let's start the drone. It's fixed there. So, how I was say, the entire thrust of the blades didn't achieve the base of the device. Actually achieve maybe 19%, 95% or something like that. For that, for all of these, we can obtain a value with minus on the scale. With this principle, I was created a project called the drone into a balloon, with what I already applied for the Goethe Award. Thank you so much. My name is Tiron Octavian Iulian.